Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at Walgreens about to get into some deals this week, and we got some good clearance going on at the Walgreens. So there are lots of paper products that are on clearance at Walgreens. So these Puffs products are on clearance, along with some Walgreens brand facial tissue. The Cottonelle 9 packs are on clearance as well for $6.99. We do have a $2 digital coupon for those. And then when you come down here, the Scott products are on clearance as well. So the Scott paper towels, the 6 equals 7, are on clearance for $3.49. We do have $1 and 2 off of 2 digital coupons for these. That'll make them $2.49. And then I ordered mine online to make them a little bit cheaper. And then we also have the Viva on clearance for $5.49. And then it was something over here on clearance, some more Viva that was on clearance as well for $5.49. We also got some clearance on this aisle right here. Now the item I picked up, I'm not sure if it has a clearance tag on it, but it is on clearance and I ordered it online. So what I ordered online is actually 4 of the nice disinfectant sprays. They were right here, but these are not tagged in my store. They still say $4.99, but they are online for $3.99. And then we have a clearance price on them of just 99 cents. So you definitely want to check and see what the price is at your store. And I figured that 99 cents for disinfectant spray was a really good price. So I went ahead and ordered 4 of those. So I'm going to pop up an image of my online order up on the screen. So what I did is I picked up 3 of the Scott paper towels, 6 equals 7 for $3.49 each. I picked up 4 of the disinfectant sprays. Those were 99 cents each. I used the WAG10 promo code, and my total was about $10 plus tax. I used $10 in Walgreens cash and just paid $1 in tax on my PayPal. And you guys, this was all super free for me. Now, the reason it was super free for me is because I made over $12 in Walgreens cash in the haul that I did last week. So I just used some of that money to pay for these items. So with that, these came out to like $1.42 per item, which I think is a really good deal for paper products and disinfecting products. And one of my disinfectant sprays got substituted for this one right here. So that is why I have one of the blue ones, but these were all 99 cents after that deal. Next deal we have going on this week that's pretty good. It's a $1 moneymaker. I actually just did a couple times on 2 different accounts, and that is the buy 2, get 3 on select oral care this week. So I picked up one of the Oral-B Vivid toothbrushes for $3. And then I also picked up one of the Crest 3D White Stain Fighter for $3. We have a $2 digital coupon on each product. So you pick up 2 of these for $3, that totals up to 6. Minus your $4 in coupons, you're going to pay $2 at the register, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Then you'll get back a $3 register reward. So that makes them a $1 moneymaker, and I got a couple $3 register rewards to help my out-of-pocket in my next transaction. Another really nice deal to get some register rewards this week is on the Gillette foam. So these are $3.49, buy one get one 50% off. When you buy 2, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. So you can pick up 2 of these for $5.23, and then you can use your points to pay, get that $5 register reward back, makes them 23 cents for 2. The Colgate products are also on a nice deal this week. You can pick up 2 of these products for $4 and then get back a $3 register reward when you buy 2. So you can pick up one of these Optic White rinse for $4, use the $2 digital coupon. Pick up one of the toothbrushes for $4, use the $2 digital coupon. At the register, you'll pay out $4 after both of those digital coupons, but then you'll get back a $3 register reward, making your final cost just 50 cents each, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. The complete home trash bags are on sale for just $1.99. So you can get the 8-gallon or you can get these smaller medium trash bags for just $1.99. The normal price on these is $4.99. Over in the body wash, and we got a lot of clearance over here too. This is just a big clearance week at Walgreens. So the St. Ives body wash is a really good clearance deal. I do not have my $1 Saint printable coupons printed, but we do have $1 printable coupons for these from the St. Ives email list. If you sign up or if you go and sign up, That would make those $1.79. We also have a lot of Dove Body Love products on clearance. And then if you come down here, we also have the Dove Men Care that is on clearance as well. I'm going to be grabbing 2 of the Dove body wash. We did have one of those that was on clearance, but I'm just going to be grabbing 2 of the regular ones. Buy one, get one 50% off this week. When you buy 2, you get back a $2 register reward. So we have a $3 digital coupon that I'm going to be using on one. For the second one, we can submit over to ShopMium for $3 back. So these 2 total up to $13.18 before our coupons. We'll save $3 in store and $3 with ShopMium. That'll bring us down to $7.18. Then we're going to get back $2, which will make our final cost $5.18 or $2.59. Another thing I wanted to get stocked up on this week was laundry products. Since the laundry deals have not been that strong this month, I definitely wanted to do this deal that they have going where you can buy 4 participating products and get back a $5 register reward. So I'm going to be picking up one of each type of laundry product that is included in this deal. We are going to be grabbing one of the Tide Pods. We have a $1.50 digital coupon. We are going to be grabbing one of the Gain Flings. We have a $1.50 digital coupon. We are going to be grabbing one Gain Liquid. We have a $1.50 digital coupon. And one Tide Liquid $5.49. We have a $1.50 digital coupon. So these 4 total us up to $21.96 minus our $6 in digital coupons. We'll pay out $15.96. Then we'll get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96. When you divide that by 4, that is $2.74 per item. So I'm going to do 2 separate transactions to help out my out-of-pocket just a little bit. I'm going to do all of these laundry items plus 2 more of the Crest Oral-B products. And I'm going to be using the 2 $3 register rewards that I got from my first couple transactions. And I also have a paper booster that I got when I shopped last week for $5 when you spend $25. So I'm going to stack that paper booster with my digital booster for $5 when you spend $20. So I'll get back a total of $10 in boosters for this transaction, plus the $5 register reward here and the $3 register reward here. And then in my second transaction, I'm just going to pick up the Dove body wash alone. In that transaction, I should be able to use my Walgreens cash, so we have no problems with our out-of-pocket there. All right, y'all, so let's go over these transactions. This was super easy couponing at Walgreens today. So I picked up the 4 laundry products and the 2 oral care products, just like I stated. I rolled in those 2 $3 register rewards and I scanned my paper booster, but for some reason, that paper booster did not take or wasn't scanned. I wasn't sure, but they fixed it for me in the end because that paper booster is not there on my receipt. But after all of my digital coupons applied, I did pay $11.96 plus tax, and I paid that $11.96 out of pocket because I thought I was using that paper booster. And then I also had the digital booster for spend 20 get 5. So when you add in those 2 $3 register rewards that I used, my total out of pocket was really $17.96. And then I did get back a total of $10 in Walgreens cash, $5 for my digital booster, and then they manually applied the $5 for my paper booster that wasn't scanned or whatever. So I did get back the $10 in Walgreens cash there. And I also got back $8 in register reward. We got back the $5 for the laundry products, and we got back the $3 for the oral care products, giving us a total back of $18 in that transaction where we paid out $17.96, making that transaction completely free. Then I needed to do my other transaction with my Dove body wash. So in that transaction, I decided to roll in the $8 in register rewards just because they printed a little bit funny, like they printed a little bit light for me. And when my register rewards look like that, I don't like to carry them. I just like to go on ahead and use them. So I used those register rewards, and then I also used a couple dollars in Walgreens cash, or really $3 in Walgreens cash, because I also paid my taxes with it and paid that 23 cents out of pocket. So with the Dove body wash, I'm going to submit over to ShopMium, or you can do like swag bucks for the Dove body wash that we did not use a coupon on. And I got my $2 register reward back, making that transaction cost $5.18. So the entire haul that we did with the 4 laundry products, the oral care, and the Dove was a total cost of $5.18. So I'm going to end it right here for my Walgreens haul for this week. I will not be doing CVS today because there's nothing new at CVS with this 2-week ad, we didn't get a lot of new coupons and we didn't get a lot of new deals. So it's just going to be Walgreens for me today. But let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.